Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have this Gigabit managed switch, so let me show you what this is and I'll kind of explain it. And I'm not going to be using it currently right here because it is, this is my computer. I'm going to use it in my closet, my wiring closet, because I have like a Raspberry Pi, a couple of routers and things like that in there that I needed to hook up to it. And so, but I want to show you because in there it is ridiculously dark because it's inside of a closet. So let me open this thing up and I will show you what we got here. If I can open it. Okay, let's see. There we go. So this is it right here. And this is a managed switch, so it should be able to give us a little, an app and stuff like that to control it. We have a Android and iOS setting kind of thing here that we have some QR codes and stuff that we can use to do it. I have to hold up if I don't put my finger over the serial numbers, the video won't work. But so here's kind of the settings for it, like that. So I could say turn different switches on and off at different times. I don't really need that. I just basically needed the switch. But this one here seemed like a decent one. So this, you get the switch here. We have the power adapter here for it. So this will just plug in, and then all our Ethernet ports there. We have 5 Ethernet ports. 1 looks like we have a PoE in one there. So we could even power this thing through PoE, it looks like. But it comes with the power adapter as well. So there we go. And so this is it here. A nice little switch to plug all our devices in. So I'm gonna say this is nice and handy and cool. So very cool, I like it. I'll be setting this up. You guys won't be able to see it because it's in a dark closet, but it's in a closet and in a drawer. It's really weird how my stuff is set up here in this apartment, but it's super cool. I like it, thumbs up.